Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made the lemon meringue pie for the second time this week because it's so good. For the crust I'm going to use 320 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar. Also, I'm going to need a pinch of salt, 200 grams of cold butter, 3 egg yolks, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of alcohol. And today I'm going to use vodka because this will make the crust even crispier. The alcohol it will evaporate. It will not change the taste of the crust, but it will make it crispier. I found out about this trick not too long ago and it actually works. I'm going to use a larger bowl to mix the flour with the sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm adding butter now. It's cold from the fridge and I'm just breaking it in tiny pieces. Add in the egg yolks and mix them with the rest of the ingredients. And now it's time to add vodka, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix. Just press the dough with your hand and don't over knead, just bring it in one piece. It's better to still see some pieces of butter in the dough because it will be flaky after baking. Now I'm going to spread the dough with the rolling pin. Place it in the dish pie. Press the dough so that it lines the bottom and the sides of the pie plate, and remove the excess dough by pressing the rolling pin on the edge of the pie dish. And you can use the excess dough to decorate your pie. Just spread the dough with the rolling pin and cut different shapes. And use those to decorate it. I am putting holes in the pie crust with a fork, and I'm going to put this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. After that, put a baking paper inside the pie and fill it with the beans. I keep the beans just for the pies and reuse it every time. And I will bake the pie in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit until the edge is starting to catch a bit of color. After that, remove the baking paper and the beans and bake it for 10 more minutes. For the filling, I'm going to need 5 eggs, 300 grams of double cream, 120 grams of powdered sugar, the juice and the zest of a lemon, 8 grams of vanillinated sugar and vanilla extract. I am mixing the eggs with the powdered sugar. Adding the lemon zest, it will give such a nice flavor to the pie. Also, I need the juice of a lemon, but I'm not going to add the juice yet to the filling. But I'm adding the rest of the ingredients, the vanillinated sugar, some vanilla extract, and also the double cream or the whipping cream, depending where you are. I'm mixing in with the eggs and the sugar. Now I've removed the crust from the oven. It's not yet fully baked, but it's time to add the lemon juice into the egg mixture. And you can see I'm adding here the lemon juice And quickly I'm going to pour this into the crust, and I'm going to bake it again, but this time I'm going to bake it at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit until the filling will start to harden for about 20 minutes or so. So back into the oven. For the meringue, I'm going to use 3 egg whites, 70 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. And I'm going to mix the egg whites with a pinch of salt, and I'm going to use the electric mixer this time until soft peaks are going to form. And you can add the sugar now and continue to mix for a few more minutes. Add the lemon juice because it will stabilize the meringue. And you can keep this in the refrigerator until it's time to use it. I removed the pie from the oven, and you can see the filling is still a bit runnier, but it will be fully baked because I'm going to bake it again with the meringue on top for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now with the tablespoon I'm going to place the meringue on top of the pie randomly and bake the pie again, like I said, for 10 to 15 minutes. And in order to serve this pie, you have to let it cool down completely and keep it in the refrigerator. So this was the recipe of this delicious lemon meringue pie, and I really hope that you'll try to prepare it. And also I need to thank you, Dale, for telling me the secret of the good pie crust. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, be happy, and I'll see you next time.